Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Xbox Roblox account on mobile. First, download the Roblox application from your mobile device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and proceed to log in. It's crucial to use the exact same credentials associated with your Xbox Roblox account to ensure a smooth transition. This initial step connects your existing profile, allowing you to access your games and progress from anywhere. To ensure a seamless experience, verify that your Xbox Roblox account is properly linked to a universal Roblox account. Often, this involves using the same email address or phone number across both platforms. This linking process is essential for synchronizing your game progress, purchased items, and Robux balance. Once linked, any achievements or in-game purchases made on your Xbox will reflect instantly on your mobile device, providing a consistent gaming journey. With your account successfully linked, you can now dive into your favorite Roblox games directly from your mobile device. The mobile application offers intuitive touch controls, optimized for smaller screens, allowing for a comfortable and engaging gameplay experience. You can also enjoy cross-platform play, meaning you can join friends who are playing on PC, Xbox, or other mobile devices. This flexibility ensures you're always connected to the vast Roblox universe. If you encounter any issues, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. First, always check your internet connection. A stable connection is vital for smooth gameplay. Regularly updating the Roblox app to its latest version can also resolve many common bugs and introduce new features. Should problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance for account-specific or technical difficulties, ensuring you get back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.